Use the graph of the function y equals f of x below to calculate the rate of change from x equals 1 to x equals 5. To find the average rate of change from x equals 1 to x equals 5, we need to know the value of the function for those inputs. When looking at the graph of a function f, the y-coordinates are the outputs and the x-coordinates are the inputs. Specifically, a point AB is on the graph of a function f if and only if f of A equals B. In other words, every point on the graph can be thought of as x, f of x. This means to calculate the rate of change from x equals 1 to x equals 5, we can use the formula delta y over delta x equals f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1 and plug in x1 equals 1 and x2 equals 5. Then use the corresponding points from the graph to find the values of f of x1 and f of x2. The point on the graph with x-coordinate 1 is 1, 3. So f of 1 equals 3. The point on the graph with x-coordinate 5 is 5, 6. So f of 5 equals 6. Plugging all of this into the formula, we get that delta y over delta x is f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1, which is f of 5 minus f of 1 over 5 minus 1, which is 6 minus 3 over 5 minus 1, which is 3/4. Again, notice that this is the same as the slope of the line through those 2 points on the graph. Later, we'll refer to such a line as a secant line. And no, it's not the same as the trig function secant, even though we'll also be talking about tangent lines, which also aren't the same as the trig function tangent.